Today I'm gonna show you a performance of this toy crash RC scale drone PD-100 Black Hornet Nano UAV. Oh, its name is very long. And now I'm gonna show you a real performance that comes with skill and also experience. Let's check it out. I'm gonna count down 14 minutes from now on. Let's start with simple. Simple flying style, like figure 8. And then a little harder. It's called ribbon. You know ribbon or infinity? Yes, it's infinity or figure infinity pattern. It's not easy. I'm gonna play harder and harder. Let's start with this simple pattern first. Okay, now let's take a look at its speed. This quite fast compared with a normal 4-channel toy crash RC helicopter. Oh, this is the problem of the toy grid or toy crash. RC helicopter. But this is not the first time that this is out of order in mid-air and fall like a brick. This is the third time. I don't know why, but I'm quite sure that it will be able to fly again in less than 5 minutes from now on, because this is not the first time. So I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna prove whether it works or not. The first time that it dropped in the mid-air is in my second flight. It fall down in the rice field overnight. I took almost 2 days to fight. Okay, and I think it's gonna work again. Let's begin again. Okay, now I'm gonna play extremely hard. You never experienced something like this before in toy crash RC helicopter. This called fucking just a moment please. Sorry for my rude, but is this the name of this pattern for real? Yeah, it's fucking lift for manual, and now it's fucking lift up manual. Let's check it out again, man. like this. Oh yeah, it's great. It crashed, but it can be